everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in as South Africa and other countries continue to give support to KZN after the floods that left many people homeless. Real housewife of Durban star Ayanda Ncwane visited her hometown Ndwedwe to offer them her support. Ayanda allegedly gave a 60,000 rand donation to families that lost their family members and thousands of blankets to the needy community. In a post, she said, "Today, as I visit Ndwedwe, my heart is itching for our people, especially in rural areas where help and resources are far away from them. Hearing experiences of these bereaved families and the community tore me apart. What is done is done. Businessmen and a woman born in rural areas, I know you will do the right thing. Many of the families are still waiting for help, food vouchers, donation, and blankets. Prayer and word of hope is what we can give for now, but from after the funeral they will need us even more. They no longer have places called home." Thank you to the police stations in Ndwedwe and Inzuze for helping us today. We salute your integrity. Actually, guys, this is the time to show our love and support. God will do the rest. Social media appreciated and blessed her for that. Seeing Ayanda, guys, crossing the river barefooted really humbled me. Let's check some of the few comments on Facebook. "Giving back to the community. May God bless you more, Ayanda. Condolences to the bereaved. God bless you, Mam Ncwane. Abundantly, you have warmed my heart. I love you, woman. May God be the strength of the family who lost their loved ones, and may their soul rest in peace, and God bless you, Ayanda Kwande Nalautate Kona. Woman of prayer, love you, Sisi. Thank you for your generous heart. Bese abantu bengibuza why ngikuthanda Ayanda. I mean, look at this. God bless you, Sandra Sam. God or good joy, keep it up. Good job. Actually, he wanted to say that. Good job, keep it up. May the Almighty continue shower more blessing upon you. Wow, this is why I love you so bad, woman of God. I'm humbled, be blessed even more. When God bless you, he knew that his people will receive help from you. He will bless you even more. So yeah, guys, let's continue to help where we can. That's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.